god, it's very, whoa, it's hailing. It's hailing so hard. I found pieces of hail that were an inch.
Stay.
It hurt. Ow, I'm bleeding now.
Wow, look at the pool.
My ear is bleeding. The hail hit me so hard. Oh my god, look at it hitting the pool. I can barely. Whoa.
Wow, look at the thunder and lightning.
This is worse than New Hampshire. Whoa, that's cool. I've never. Oh my, look at it go down. Whoa. It's going harder and harder. This is the worst hail I've ever seen.
Wow.
Oh, there it goes. That's awesome. That's really.
Listen.
That means it was less than a mile away. I did the counting.
Wow.
It was half a mile away from us.
What?
Yeah, I counted.
Wow. Well, here's another thunder, lightning rather.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, look at that hail.
Here it comes.
That one was, I think, a quarter away from us.
It's come down. Here's another lightning.
It's coming. It should be coming in like that. Alright. Take a look at this hail. The hail bounced off there. That's crazy. Flooding. It's flooding. Yeah, it's really flooding our backyard. It's flooded over here where I am. I'm going to the part where it isn't. I'm right here. Wow, that's crazy. Ooh, I'm shaking so loud. Oh, that's so crazy. Yeah, look at that water hit the. Wow, that's really something. Coming. Oh, it's flooded over there. I can't even. I'm like, there's a. Let's see how deep that is. Oh my gosh. It's over an inch deep. Ugh.